Now we will have a look over a work entry. Now work entry is a very interesting feature of this app. Just have a look. Just go into the work entry. Now add work. So I will show you two entries for the same work entry. As of now, if we are going to make a spray, we will use a spray. Description: fungicide, spraying. Now work entry status. Here are three options, but we can use two as of now. That is a not started and ongoing. Completed can be used once the task is completed. So suppose we are spraying right now or is being scheduled today. So just select ongoing. Now select the date. So 10th of today is the 10th of January. So we will select the 10th of Jan. And what time we have sprayed or what we are going to spray. So 11 will be too late. Now 9 a.m. in the morning. So 9 a.m. in the morning we have selected the task time. Now this task requires any product or not. If yes, then click the checkbox, then select the product XYZ demo and consumption. Now here if we take 500 grams for 200 liter water, so here we will enter 500 grams. As the measuring unit is a kilogram, that's why we are using 0.500. Now if you are making a combination of a 2 or 3 product or 4 products, you can just add a product, select the product from the product list, enter the quantity. Now this spray is being used for which plot? So we have to allocate the specific plot. Then we can allocate this task to an worker. So if one or more worker is required, you can add more worker as well. Okay, now just click on the save. So this is the current work going on in the field. Now once this work is completed, just click on the plus sign, go into the details. Now you can see details, workers and the inventory. Now before making mark as complete, you have to click on the quantity that has been used. So we had used 500 grams of XYZ. So just click on the checkbox, enter the value. Also the suggestion is given at the top of this message. Click on the 500 grams. So automatically it will get updated in the stock. Now this is a 1 kg we have used. So we can enter 1 kg. Now just click on mark as complete. Okay, close. Here you can see it has been completed. If you want to check the details, you can check as well. So these are the products that had been used. Workers, that this worker has performed this task in a specific field. You can check this later also. Now the second section, if we want to make a future planning of a spraying or a fertigation, what to do? Just add work. So fertigation we are planning for tomorrow, or you can make a plan for a 1 week or 15 days or a month as per your requirement. Fertigation, here we will describe NPK. Work status. Now this is a future work, so we haven't started yet, so we will select not started. Now select the date on which date this task need to be executed. So we will select 12th of January and what time it need to be performed. So in the evening, okay, so in the evening 4 p.m. So we will select a 16, done. Okay, now fertigation, so definitely we will require a stock, so just click on the checkbox, select the product. So 12x8 we are using a 5 kg, add product a combination of another NPK, so it has been used 3 kg, or we can put in the decimals also, 300 3.5, so it's a 3 kg and 500 grams. Now select the plot. So polyhouse 1, worker, you can select one or as many workers that are required for performing that task, and then save. So we have selected not started. Now this is a future work, so just click over here and select the future date, so it will be displayed over here. Now on 12th, today is 10th, but on 12th January, when this task is performed, you can just go into the details, click as mark as ongoing, so it's being performed in the field, so automatically the status will change ongoing. Now once this task is finished, you just have to go on details, inventory, select the product that has been used, so it will get deducted from the stock. When we are making a plan of a future work entries, that time we just mention the products, but that time we are not using products in actual, it doesn't get deducted from the stock. Now once you click on this checkbox and enter the value, then only it will get deducted from the stock. Mark as complete, close. So here you can see the status: completed, completed, completed.